Okay, welcome back to VibeCoding with Franke V. This is a series where we're coding a ToDo app in iOS using React Native and Expo. When we left off, we had used CRUD to create a prompt to give to Augment to fully flesh out our iOS app in one shot. We used Opus 4.5 and we got pretty far along. Now we're running into a few debugging errors. We started off with Firebase. I asked it to do a local version until I configured Firebase, but let's see where we are now and let's see if we can debug it. So now we've got an app, we've got a whole folder structure, we've got everything ready to go. So let's dive into it and see where we are. Last we left off, we had an error about crypto getting random values. So let's see where we are. Failed to add to do, not supported. Interesting. Okay, so I pasted that in here. So this is error. Okay, and Sonnet should take it from here. So here's where you have to know kind of what you're doing. So if you're just vibe coding this and you're not quite sure, stop. So I went over when I made a polyfill to polyfill UUID. I'm going to tell it instead of using polyfill, try another library. So what we have here in package JSON is, let's just find. We're just using UUID, and that is more suited for React Native. A quick Google search, React Native UUID. Yeah, let's try like React Native UUID. So, so Sonnet was trying to go off and do a polyfill. It was just going to make it work regardless. But we don't want that. We don't want polyfills. Not when we have something that's available, like React Native UUID, which is built for React Native. What you know about crypto libraries is that some work on web and then some are different from mobile because we're using different operating systems and just different packages altogether. So had I not known that, I might have got stuck with a polyfill trying to force a square peg in a round hole. And that's not what we want. I mean, it's not ideal. I'll tell it to use React Native UUID. Don't even use UUID because that's really a web-based library. Okay. Yeah, so Expo notifications is not available in Expo Go. That's fine. They're not even available on simulator, right? So you have to use an actual device. So you're going to have to make a development build and push it on test flight. Although you can tunnel into the app from your device. So that's another way you can do that. I learned that because I was stuck. I didn't want to create a whole test flight app. So you can actually use tunnel and just push it right to your device. So without using Expo Go. So right, make sure everything is working. Go ahead, restart it. Go ahead, knock yourself out. You just want to restart it. Go ahead. I don't know what you're running, guy. I don't even know what it's doing. Okay, somehow you got it to work. Okay, it killed it. It read from it, then it killed it. Try it again. Okay, that worked. So let's see. Buy milk tomorrow, 5 p.m. Hashtag shopping. Buy milk, 5 p.m. Hashtag shopping. All right, here's moment of truth. Boom! Buy milk tomorrow. Shopping. Oh, so it picked up the hashtag. So we must be using NLP to filter out the text that the user enters. Maybe we'll do like an offline mode where you could just keep it on your phone because I don't want to have to sign in every time. So the whole purpose of doing this was for me to remind myself to follow up with certain tasks. And I just reminders wasn't doing it. I kept dismissing them or just, I would see them pop up like any other notification and I would just disregard them. So I was looking for a better way to do it. So I would have better reminders rather than like the native iOS reminders, a little bit more effective, right? Because I wasn't getting things done. I tried to build this app so we can use this. And then if I can put it in the App Store, it'd be fantastic. Something else I could have in the App Store that's not, I don't have to babysit, kind of set it and forget it. Just get the work out, get it done, get it in the App Store, let other people use it. It's useful for somebody else, and I'm happy. So I'm excited to create a few projects and have them actually published. So let's see what we have here. Let's see. Output. Demo mode successfully fixed. Yay. Right. Yeah, you fixed UUIDs and demo mode. So at this point, I'm going to actually tell it to make the app available offline. Let's see if we can just, we can go, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you've got like some nested navigation going on here. The ToDo details as 2 nav bars. I don't know if this scrolls. Oh! I guess I bought milk. Can I undo it? Mark incomplete. Oh, thank God. And then I'll go back to active. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Buy milk tomorrow. Okay. Stats. 1 active, 1 completed. Oh, look at the streak counter too. This week completed. None, right? Look, it's got, I have 1 to do. Settings. Okay, now let's see. Profile. It's got my profile. Widgets. Home screen widgets. Hold up. Before I do this, I want to see, is this actually going to work? Did it enable widgets behind the scenes? Because I know there's a lot of native stuff that has to happen in order for iOS to pick up that a widget is available. You have to register the widget in the delegate. I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember when I was doing it. Put it in the comments if you know where to put it. Let me see here. All right, so here we go. We're going to try this. I went to the settings screen. So, long press on your home screen. Tap the plus button in the top left. Search for loop closer. Choose a widget size and tap add widget. All right, let's go to it. A long press. Edit. Add widget. Search widgets. No results. Two wallets, though. So when I was doing this in an initial first pass at this, I had issues with the widgets as well. So we might have to address that in a second. But let's look at categories. No categories. I could add categories. Data management. Export data. Where's this going to go? Oh, okay. It's a placeholder. All right. So let's just look through this and see what the output was. So we have to-dos. I wonder if I could do voice quick add. What does the plus do? I don't know. I think it's just a placeholder icon, but it looks like a button, so we need to fix that. What is this? Archive. No archived to-dos. Oh, good. I can go to the archive. Buy milk tomorrow. So you can drill into it. Can I edit it? Let's see if I edit it. Boom, boom, boom. Due date and time. Oh, it's got I threw a picker in there. Straight up date. What? Oh, that's it. So it was close. Somehow it got 4:25 p.m. instead of 5 p.m. So it needs to set priority. The priority is medium, high. Okay, save changes. It's a high priority. I gotta get that milk, y'all. Oh, look, I got sorted by. Let's add another one. Okay, let's add. Let's see. Pick up Dr. Pepper from the hospital. Enter. I didn't give it a time. It's immediately overdue. All right, let's edit it. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, so this is pulling from the current time. So I'll say this is at 5:26 p.m. Great. Save changes. Done. Mark complete. I can snooze it. I can edit it. I can delete it. Okay, great. Does this have... You said swipe. You said swipe to delete. I don't see swipe. It did not do swipe. That's interesting. Okay, well, okay, so it's today, so it tells me what time it is. Tomorrow, it just says tomorrow. I guess when tomorrow comes, it'll say 5 p.m. That's interesting. Okay. What does this do? Oh, okay. So the FAB. All right. So if I do this, it needs a little padding, needs a little. So the thing about the AI assisted developing is, I find it's not very good with user experience functionality. Like it'll put things just on a page and pretty well. Like this is it's pretty good considering. Yeah, this is pretty much all I wanted. Today, upcoming stats. I don't necessarily need stats, but it gave me something else to do. Maybe I could share this with somebody else if I need to do like what to do. We could add more functionality, but yeah, this is it. Notifications. Let's see here. Enable notifications. Right. We're in a simulator, so we can't really enable notifications. Enable quiet hours. Oh, that's interesting. It added quiet hours. Oh, look at the liquid glass. Look at that sucker go. Quiet hours. How do I set quiet hours? That's a great question. Something to figure out later. Let's see. Dark mode. Dark mode. Ha ha! Oh, look out. Okay. Yeah, we got a dark mode. How's this look? So yeah, we got a dark mode. We got buy milk, edit. We got everything. Snooze. What does snooze do? Oh, look. This is so nice. Oh, this looks so nice. To be honest, it's using the liquid glass. I mean, there's a few things to modify on here, but it actually looks really good. I mean, this is a simple app, right? We might need a. So now the developer part comes in. So now, but I want you to see like how far you can get without ever having to really write any code. Sure, this has got a bunch of screaming TS issues, but I'm sure that's a quick fix. Context. It's got context. It's got hooks. It's got a couple of hooks. Navigation. Screens. Look at the screens. How many screens we have? Oh, they're all separated. Auth screen. Forgot password. Oh, we got forgot password. Let's log out and see what actually happens. Sign out. Yeah, I want to sign. Oh, it asks for confirmation. Okay, forgot password. Forgot password. Reset password screen. Get out. This is what Frank at Nexus dev.com, and my password is I love to code. Boom. No, I don't want to save that password. It was able to get a lot done. It's got wonderful, tab icons. The settings are all there. It looks fine. So when people say VibeCoding can't get you, it's not a real app. It's not a real mobile app. Yeah, a lot of times it's building it in a web page. If you're using some service that kind of like captures you into their platform, then yeah, I don't know exactly what they're using. I suspect it's not native. It's not native under the hood. But this is using React Native, which is using native under the hood. So we're able to get a mostly functional ToDo app running with widget integration. Now we have to get into that. I think we'll talk about that next. It requires a little bit of native setup. So we'll see how Augment is, and maybe we'll switch over to Cursor and see how Cursor handles it as well. Because part of my philosophy is you can go down a path so far with one of them, and then maybe they might hit their head on some kind of issue. Then you take it over to the other one, take it over to the Cursor, and see if it can try a different methodology or reasoning. As far as the models go, Sonnet's fine. I like Sonnet. I lean to Opus, but now I see it has an incredible token usage. It might be more of a sledgehammer when all you need is a little, a pickaxe here. We're going to try this a couple of different ways. Next feature we're going to build is we're actually going to make the widget work. So that'll be a little bit longer video, but stay tuned. We're moving right along. We're almost next step App Store. So stay tuned. And this has been VibeCoding with Franke V, and we'll see you next time.